Do you need some ideas on helping your kids learn their spelling words? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna give you 5 ideas to make spelling fun. Now, before we get into these activities, I only work with a couple of words at a time. And right now I have a 6-year-old, so I would do like 3 spelling words at a time. If you have older kids, you can do 5 or 6 words. Now, the first activity that I do is to teach her how to spell the words before we get into some of these games. So the first activity that I do is called the spelling pyramid. And I will have her write out the letters, 1 letter at a time in each row until she completes a pyramid. This helps her to remember which letter comes in order and to get the general spelling of the word. So I do at least 3 of these activities in a day during our spelling time, and I will take 10 minutes each day to practice her spelling words. After she's reviewed and learned the overall spelling of the word, we can move on to activity number 2, spelling exercise. I will say the word and give her an exercise, and she will have to do it. She can spin, she can do jumping jacks, she can do cartwheels, she can do frog jumps. Any exercise that you can think of, you have your child spell the words to that exercise. She really enjoys this way of spelling. It's probably her favorite. And number 3, Hangman. After she has a good grasp of the word, we'll head over to our whiteboard and we will practice Hangman. But this is kind of like a reverse Hangman. What I do is I tell her the word and I write out the amount of lines as the word has letters. She really enjoys the spelling Hangman too, and it's a really effective way to get her to remember her word. And number 4, you can get a game online. If you go to Pinterest, you can look up spelling tic-tac-toe or spelling games like this one that I found on literacylearn.com. And in this particular game, you get a game dice, and when whatever number she rolls, she can take a toy, let her take a Shopkin in this case, or any toy, and she can move that amount of spaces and then spell the word with these different activities. So you can see on here, there are activities such as spell the word as quietly as you can, spell it using a dinosaur voice, spell it without moving your lips, spell it 2 times in a row, spell it while touching your toes, and a whole bunch of different other activities. Number 5 is spelling Candyland. Now, I created this template of cards, and you can get it over at my teacher store, which you can see the link in the description below. As you pick a card, you match that color to the color on the sheet, and before moving to the space, your child has to spell out the word before she can move. We will do this at the end of a unit where we have a lot of spelling words, and if she, let's say I only taught her 5 for the week, then I add some old spelling words to this list as a review. I hope you guys enjoyed these fun ideas for helping your kids learn spelling. Let me know if it helped you out at all in the comments below. And I'm also gonna make a video on 5 activities to help you teach your kids and to practice their sight words. So you don't wanna miss that one. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when I make that video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.